In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view order tracking on Banggood App. Let's start by opening the Banggood app on your phone. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged into the same account you used to place your order. If you're prompted to sign in, complete that first so the app can show your purchases and shipment details. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap the option labeled Account or sometimes Me. This takes you to your profile hub, where all your orders and settings are organized. From there, tap My Orders. This page lists every purchase tied to your account and often groups them by status such as processing, shipped, or delivered. Find the order you want to track. You can scroll through the list and select the order card, which usually shows a thumbnail, item name, price, and a quick status summary to help you identify it. After you open that order, look for the tracking section. Depending on your app version, it may appear as Track or View Logistics. Go ahead and tap it. This brings up your shipment details in one place. You should see the tracking number assigned to your package, which is useful if you ever need to reference it with the courier. You'll also see the current shipping status, like picked up, in transit, out for delivery, or delivered, so you always know where your parcel is on its journey. The courier name is listed too, letting you know who's handling your shipment. Below that, you'll typically find a timeline or series of checkpoints showing the delivery progress, often with dates and times as the package moves from the warehouse through sorting facilities and out to your address. In many cases, you may also see an estimated delivery window that updates as the package moves. A quick note on timing. Tracking details appear after the seller ships your order. If you just placed it and don't see a tracking number yet, that's completely normal. Once the package is dispatched, updates will start to populate automatically, and there's nothing extra you need to do. If an order contains multiple packages, each one may have its own tracking page, so repeat the same steps for each shipment. And if there's a gap between scans, it often just means the package is in transit between facilities. That's all there is to it. Open the app, sign in, go to Account or Me, tap My Orders, choose your order, and select Track or View Logistics to see your tracking number, shipping status, courier, and delivery progress. You'll be able to monitor your delivery from start to finish with confidence.